Kourtney Kardashian is gearing up for Christmas as she prepares to blow fiance Travis Barker and their kids away. Kourtney Kardashian has big plans for fiance Travis Barker and their kids this holiday season. The 41-year-old Keeping Up with the Kardashians star is extremely hands-on when it comes to Christmas shopping, and this year is no different. Now that the Poosh founder is newly engaged, this season plans on being extra special. Kourtney could very easily go on Amazon, give the kids money, or get someone to do her shopping for her, but she doesn't, a source exclusively told Hollywood Life. She is extremely hands-on when it comes to her Christmas shopping, and her goal is to always get the kids something that she knows that they would love. Now that she is with Travis, Kourtney feels like she has 5 kids instead of 3. And she isn't going to get any less presents for his children than she does for her own, and vice versa. The pal said of the 3 children Kourtney shares with ex Scott Disick and Mason, 12, Penelope, 9, and Rain, 7. Travis also has kids of his own with ex Shannon Oakler, Alabama, 15, Lyndon, 18, and stepdaughter Ashiana De La Hoya, 22. Related gallery. Kourtney Kardashian and Scott Disick, their photos together after breakup. When it comes to holidays and gift giving, Kourtney is so generous. The one thing she is stuck on right now is what to get Travis. Since this is their first Christmas as soon-to-be husband and wife, she wants to blow his mind this Christmas. The car that she got him for his birthday did just that, and she intends to go above and beyond. Kourtney easily spends tens of thousands of dollars at Christmas on her family, and she wouldn't have it any other way. Either way, it will be a fun-loving holiday season for the blended families as they're all getting along great. On December 14th, Travis's youngest child Alabama took part in a viral trend with Kourtney's daughter Penelope and Kim Kardashian's daughter North, 8, for a cute video which they shared on December 14th. The video was set to a snippet of the song Chocolate Barbie by Choppity Or, and the video started with Alabama, 15, bobbing her head at the camera. She also added the words "Meet my friends" at the bottom of the video. She then panned over to Penelope, 9, and North, 8, who were both also bobbing their heads along. The whole clip was adorable, and it's clear that the Blink-182 drummer's daughter is getting along great with her future relatives in the Kardashian family.